Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of Chanel item I bought from this season, 22K. And one is actually coming by FedEx. I'm waiting, and for now I have two items and then one more item is coming, so wait for it. So let's do fashion item. So as you know, when the season launch, all the item doesn't come out at once at the beginning. Like first week you don't see basically almost nothing, but like second week, third week, by time the items are released one by one, especially bags. Yeah, it's really hard to see the new season bag from first week. So yeah, I'm waiting for a bag for 22K new collection. I got one item in Beverly Hills boutique and the other two items from Custom Essa boutique. So let's get started. So as you can check from this new 22K collection, you can see so many beautiful like tweed items, short, top, knit skirt, so many things available, and there are so many beautiful colors. So I chose a kind of reasonable price among Chanel ready-to-wear. So I wanna open this first. This one I got from Beverly Hills boutique. As soon as it's released, I contact my SA and I got this one. In the previous video, I tried this in my shopping vlog, so you can check it out. So this one is tweed shorts. Red color, black color, white color, so many color. Kind of burgundy. You can match with anything. Long boots or like loafer, extra cloth. From 22K, tweed shorts. Burgundy, ecru, navy blue, black. For color is mixed. It was $1,650 before tax. There's a matching jacket, exactly same pattern. Any tweed jacket from Chanel, mostly 5,000-6,000. It goes up to like 10K for one tweed jacket. So yeah, for me, you know, this is LA, kind of warm. It's not that cold during winter time because it's California, LA. So I think this is a good choice for me because I can try beautiful Chanel tweed. Compared to other Chanel ready-to-wear, it's a really reasonable price because it's less than $2,000. This one, beautiful Chanel CC logo here. It doesn't show well, but you know, a little bit of bling bling. It's perfect for daily look, especially for fall season. And winter, you might need to wear tight inside. So I was checking the socks which gonna match with these shorts. I really wanted to buy together, but then my salesperson said LA is too hot and the socks was really thick. Maybe in New York during winter time that would be perfect without like, you know, knee-high boots. But in LA, no. I haven't seen anyone wearing like tight. Maybe leggings with barefoot, with like, yeah, just like flip-flop. That's LA style. But I haven't seen anyone wearing like long socks. It doesn't make sense in LA. So that's why they knew it's not gonna sell, even though it's beautiful. Socks, the color was 3 color. The 22K socks, price was like $825, but you are not gonna see in LA for sure because it's too hot. The socks is made of cashmere. So that's why it's like over $800 for one pair of socks. It's crazy, isn't it? But it's so beautiful. If you have like a basic color, like there was a green color, purple color, and khaki color. 3 different color you can mix match with any shorts or like knit skirt. I would really want it to get like khaki color or green color for this to give like more like complete look. But yeah, they're not gonna bring it. Yeah, that's too bad. But no socks available this season. I didn't talk about the size. So I tried 38 and it was perfectly fit well. This is not like snug fit. So yeah, make sure you buy like one size up, maybe. Usually I wear 38 or 36 up to the item. But yeah, this one, it's not stretchable. So I got my size, usual size, made in France. And inside, as you can see, it's like burgundy color. I'm gonna wear with knee-high boots with like white top, white sweater, pullover maybe. During winter time, maybe I can wear like jacket. But yeah, LA, it's not that cold, so usually this with like a sweater, that's enough. So next item is hat. Let me open. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This is tweed bucket hat. So I never had a bucket hat in tweed. As you can see, this is kind of deep. Let me show you compared to Prada how deep it is. See this? Yeah, very deep. So when I try it on, Prada is like a kind of like this. Normally it's like this depth, but this one is very deep. Let me show you. It's like this. This is small size. I feel like I had to get medium size, but yeah, still it fits well. A little bit tight. So if you can try to get medium or large size. Here to here, the depth is kind of deeper than other bucket hats. And this bucket hat matches with my tweed shorts. So I'm gonna show you later together. So pretty, isn't it? I love it. It's not exactly same as you can see. This one has more burgundy, but this one has pink and black. Kind of neutral color mix, so it's gonna go well with each other. So this one is from 22K collection. It's 50% alpaca, so it's gonna be very warm during winter time. 50% alpaca, 30% wool, 20% polyamide, made in Italy. And inside is black lining. Prada for summertime. During winter time, this Chanel bucket hat. And the price is $1,125 in USA before tax. So feminine style. You know, bucket hat can be very casual style, like more hip trendy, but this one is like more cute and like feminine style. I'm waiting for a bag from 22K, but it's not released yet. It comes like one by one. So like I'm gonna wait for the bag and then we'll do unboxing when I get it. So wait for it. So let me go to FedEx to get the last item. So I got FedEx. Let me open. This one I ordered from Costa Mesa boutique. So yeah, this is jewelry. Let me open. So as you can see, this is fashion jewelry. So cute. There are two different sizes. This is small size and there is a bigger size. I haven't seen in real. Bigger size is gonna be pretty much big for ear. So I prefer small size for sure. So I ordered small size. Small size price is $850. Bigger size was like $1,100. Even price is much better. And then this is pretty big. Yeah, you can see it's like this big. Silver tone hardware with lambskin leather. So you can see the Chanel CC logo very well. So it's not too like extravagant style, so you can match with any outfit. Also, it's very casual style, which I like. I can match with any like silver jewelry even.